Where is the line of reflection in geometric transformations? Imagine looking into a mirror and seeing your reflection. The line of reflection in geometry works just like that mirror. It is the line over which a shape is flipped to create its mirror image. Think of it as the invisible boundary that divides the plane into two parts. When you reflected a shape across this line, every point on the shape moves directly across the line to the opposite side. The key is that each point stays the same distance from the line, just on the other side. This line acts like a perfect divider. It is always the perpendicular bisector of the segment connecting each original point and its reflected image. Perpendicular means it hits the segment at a right angle, and bisector means it cuts the segment into two equal parts. So, if you have a point 3 units to the left of the line, its reflected point will be 3 units to the right. The same goes 4 points above or below the line if it is a horizontal line, or left or right if it is vertical. The line of reflection can be any line on the plane. It could be horizontal like y equals -1, vertical like x equals 2, or even diagonal. The important thing is that it divides the plane into two mirror image halves. The line itself is the axis of symmetry, meaning the shape looks the same on both sides when reflected across it. In coordinate geometry, finding the line of reflection involves equations. For example, if the line is equals to u reflected points by calculating their mirror positions across that line. If a point is at 3 units to the right of the line, its reflection will be 3 units to the left of the line. This process helps in solving many geometry problems involving symmetry and transformations. Reflections are used in real life all the time. Artists use mirror images to create patterns and designs. Architects use symmetry to make buildings look balanced. Even in puzzles and computer graphics, understanding where the line of reflection is helps create accurate mirror images. So, the line of reflection is the central axis that divides the plane into two parts. It is the invisible mirror that flips a shape to produce a perfect, congruent image on the other side. It helps us understand how shapes relate to each other through symmetry and is a fundamental part of geometric transformations.